Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Built on the Rock. Today is an exciting day because we're setting the beams on the back porch, and this is an exciting time. My brother-in-law VJ is here helping me while he's on vacation. Such a generous guy helping out, and he even donated some blood today to the cause. This beam is a true 6x12, and the bracket that I have is for a 6x12, but for a nominal 6x12, so it'd be 5.5 inches. So I had to dado out for where that bracket would go. Plus it'll help conceal that it exists there, and I can put some trim over it and nobody will ever know that there was even a bracket there. VJ had an appointment, I think, today, and he was going to come out and help me, but I wanted to keep making progress, and so I tried to get this thing up by myself. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling to figure out what to do here. A second person, man, it just makes all the difference in the world having a helper. But I did eventually figure it out and made it work. It's just a lot safer and easier with two people. So if you can afford it, use two people. Good morning, YouTube. We're out here on the back porch today, and I've got brother-in-law VJ out here helping me with these beams up here. So we've got 3 cedar beams, and then over on the far end we've got 2 glue lambs that we got to put up. Got a lot of stuff done yesterday, and then there's VJ. Yeah, he donated blood to the house. So we're having to redo, we had to pull off, VJ spent a while here pulling off that bracket and then the other bracket over there. So that one's already reinstalled, and so we've got to square everything up. Now, I should have checked this in the beginning, but oh well, it is what it is. We move on, we'll get it done, and it's looking good. All right. Well, these glue lambs are significantly denser and heavier than what we were working with before. And this first beam wasn't too bad, but the next one, that thing was a nightmare. And it was sketchy. I dented my ladder putting it up a fair amount. So these were heavy. Man, having 3 or 4 people would have been helpful on this thing, but we did get it, and it was a pretty heavy setup, so we got it. I guess being in time lapse is hard to see what happened there, but that beam fell, and it fell pretty hard. It hit that ladder, and it made a nice little dent in it that makes it definitely not as easy to use anymore. But everybody's okay. Nobody got hurt, and we came up with a better plan or safer plan for how to get this up incrementally.
All right, well, this is what we got done the last 2 days. Got our beams up, and this is off the master over here, so this will be kind of like a little kitchenette area, outdoor dining kitchen area, and this will all be covered with trusses and roofing material, so that's exciting. Well, my YouTube friends and those of you who are family, today is Tuesday, and we are possibly going to be getting floor trusses as early as late this week, and then getting roof trusses as early as late the following week. All right, well, I will bring the camera around with me. You can follow along. Hope you're enjoying it. Bye. Here they be.